A warm welcome, dear students, to the new academic year. Today we are going to study subject science. Topic is Earth and the solar system. Yes, dear children, very often when we look from an open ground up in the sky, so in a clear night, we can see many stars. Yes, we can see many stars and they are very far away from the Earth. Some stars are prominent while some are tiny and faint. If we look at them carefully, we find that many of them twinkle and many do not. So the sun and the moon, they are comparatively close to the earth. Yes, children, we see sun in the daytime and moon at night. Yes, we can see nice round planets. Yes, so these, the sun, the moon, the stars, the planets, etc. These are all the heavenly bodies. And these are called as they are the solar system. They form the solar system. Yes. Now every day, the different changes in shape and size of the moon. Yes. Sometimes then we see sometimes the stars are twinkling and maybe sometimes not. Correct. So all these are all they form a part of the solar system. We will study in detail about this. Yes. So our solar system, it is made up of sun, 8 planets, their moon, asteroids, and comets. Yes, children. So what are stars? The heavenly bodies that twinkle are called stars. Stars, they have their own light. The sun is a star and it is closer to us than any other stars. Yes, that is the reason it appears big. And sun is the brightest star. Yes, it is so bright. That is the reason we cannot see stars during the daytime. Yes, though they are there, but we cannot see them because of the bright light. Yes, now coming to planets. So the celestial object that revolves around the sun, they are called as planets. Yes, so they are the heavenly bodies that do not twinkle. They are called planets. Planets, they do not have light of their own. Okay, so as they do not have the light of their own, they take the light. They get the light from the stars. Yes. Now planets revolve around the star. They revolve also along even as they rotate. So planets are rotating round with around themselves, and they keep revolving. Okay, around the star. Children, the planets were formed during the process of solar system formation, when clumps they began to form in the disk of gas and dust. Okay, that is how the planets were formed. Because okay, so the heavenly bodies that do not twinkle, they are called as planets. Now in the screen, what I'm sharing, the 8 planets are Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. Okay, so these are the 8 planets. Amongst this, you can see, children, that Jupiter is the biggest planet. Yes, whereas Mercury is the smallest planet. Yes. And also, if I ask you which is the first closest planet to the Earth, yes, which is the closest planet, you can see over here, this is the Mercury. Yes, to the sun. Yes, so Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. And if I ask you, Earth is at what number, or at the what position is our Earth where we are staying? Is our Earth planet? Yes. So Earth is at the third position. Yes, children, we can see this. Yes. So Mercury is the planet which is closest to the Earth. Okay. And Earth is the first, second, third position. Yes, you can see here. Then if we can ask which is the planet which has rings around them. Yes, so every planet, they have their own characteristics, right? The planet which has rings around them is the Saturn, right? Then amongst this, if we know that, if I ask what is the characteristics of Venus, yes, so Venus is the brightest planet. Okay, so Venus is the brightest planet, and it is so bright that it is also sometimes visible with the naked eye. Okay, so as I said that every planet, they have that all different characteristics. So remember this Earth, this is our planet where we live. So Earth is the third planet, okay, from the sun. You can see this first, second, and third. Okay. Okay, here the smallest planet, I will explain in detail. Yes, see here also you can see. You can see all the picture of more closely. Yes, I've zoomed up all the planets. Okay, Neptune, this is the blue color. Yes, Saturn, see, you can see all these rings are there. Okay, so every planet, Mercury was the smallest planet, correct? I just showed you on the screen, previous screen. Okay, so these are all planets. Okay, now next coming to, let me explain you what are dwarf planets. Yes, so as the name says, dwarf means small. So there are some smaller heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun, and they are called dwarf planets. Of these, the most well-known is Pluto. Okay, so Pluto is the most well-known, and this is called as the dwarf planet. Dwarf planets, they revolve independently around the sun, and they have an orbit of their own. Okay, so we saw that orbits are there, all the planets are rotating in a fixed path. See here, I wanted to show. Wait, where is it? Sorry. Yes, see this picture. This, yes. So you can see that all the planets, they're on the fixed path. Yes. So this fixed path where they move, they rotate around themselves, they rotate, they revolve, they are called as that is the orbit. Okay. Okay. Now next coming to gravity. Gravity on other planets. So as the name says, gravity means it is the force of attraction. Yes, so the pull, yes, they exert a force, and that is called as the gravity. So we all know that all heavenly bodies, they exert a force of attraction or a pull on one another. Yes, so this force is called the force of gravity. The sun exerts a gravitational pull on all planets. So it is pulling towards itself. But whereas children, the planets, they have a tendency to move away. Okay, so they are moving away from the sun. So as a result of these two forces, okay, so there is an attraction, pull and push. Both the forces are there, right? So planet, they tend to move away, whereas sun is trying to pull the planets towards itself. So because of these, as a result of these two forces, a planet keeps revolving around the sun at a fixed distance. Okay, so they are at a fixed distance, at a fixed orbit. In the same way, even satellites, this orbit, yes, I just explained you the path where the planet moves. That is called as the fixed orbit. That is the orbit, yes. Now, in the same way, children, even the satellites, yes, satellites also move. What are these satellites? Yes, these satellites, they are the heavenly bodies. They revolve around planets, and these are called satellites. Satellites, they also get light from the sun. Yes, as all the other planets, even satellites, they are also getting light from the sun. So we see the moon at night, right? And it revolves around the earth. Okay. So as moon is revolving around the earth, that is the reason moon is a satellite of the earth. Okay. So followed. So as I said, moon is revolving around the earth. So that is why we will call moon as the satellite of the earth. Okay. So similarly, most of the planets in the solar system, they have satellites. Okay, children. Then the planets, they revolve around the sun. So all the planets, they are revolving around the sun with the planets. Okay. Yes. Now wanted to explain you is 1 second. I also wanted to explain you what are asteroids. Yes, children. So asteroids between the planets of Mars and Jupiter. Okay. So between these two specific, between the Mars and Jupiter, there is a band of numerous small heavenly bodies. Okay. So they are called as asteroids. These small numerous bands. Asteroids, okay, even the asteroids, they revolve around the sun. Okay. So compared to the sun, other heavenly bodies in the solar system, they are much smaller. Follow, children? So what are asteroids? They are the band of numerous small heavenly bodies, and these are called as asteroids. Now we know that moon is closest to the earth. Yes, moon is closest to the earth. That is why it appears to be so big, although it is actually very much smaller, okay, than the sun. Yes. So we know that sun is in the center, and the heavenly bodies that revolve around it, and then and the orbits. Okay. Yes. So the planets, satellites, dwarf planets, and asteroids, all these together, they form the solar system. Okay. So all these together, we just studied. Yes, dear children. So this was about solar system. I hope you have understood. We will explain, I will explain more in detail in our next session. Yes, more further. Okay, so yes, thank you, dear students. We shall end the class now. Thank you.